back to ARS Productions. I'm back with another American Girl doll video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recurl your American Girl doll's hair, and this is the easiest way to do it. It is probably the simplest too. So let's get on to the things you will need. So this video is how to fix ringlet curls. I don't know if this works on like pin curls, but I know this will work on Courtney, Truly Me 44, which I have right here, and it should work on Cecile too. So never ever use a brush on your doll that has curls. It'll make them frizz and then it'll ruin your doll's hair. So you do not want to use this. So you will need a spray bottle with water and some eye protection. This is optional, but I like to use put some sunglasses on them just to make sure no water gets in their eyes because I do not want their eyes to rust. Your doll might get a little bit of water on its limbs, but that should not hurt it at all. You can also sit your doll in a chair or you can just sit it down. I like putting mine in a chair. So basically everything else is optional. You just really need a spray bottle with water. Alright, so let's get started. As you guys can see, my doll's hair is pretty frizzy. I really like doing this every once in a while just to make its curls look healthier and better. Okay guys, so what you are going to do, you're going to take your spray bottle and just kind of spray the curls a little bit with the water. And make sure you do not soak it around the top because you might loosen the wig cap. Because if you didn't know, American girls have wigs. Their hair is not strung through the head. So yeah, you really do not want to get that loosened. So once you've sprayed your doll's hair for quite a bit, you want it to be nice and damp. You're just going to kind of re-curl it with your finger. It's just kind of like this. And it's really, really simple and super easy to do, but you're going to have to do it with each and every curl. So yeah, it's really simple. You just re-curl it like that. And make sure you get the ones like underneath here, because those are the ones that probably get most frizzy. Well, for me anyways. But like I said, you can do this on Courtney, Cecile, Truly Me 44. I'm pretty sure there's other dolls that have ringlet curls like this that you can use it on. And do not be afraid to add some more water. So yeah, I think I'm going to put this, I think I'm going to do time lapse now. You can use some water at the top of her head. Just don't use, a lot. Just a little spritz. So yeah. So guys, I want to talk to you about something. So I just want to make it clear I now can post on the community tab on here. I thought it was when you reach 500 subscribers, but I only have 36 subscribers, I believe. And I got it. So yeah, I'm very excited. So look forward to seeing some posts on there. I won't post on there every day, but yeah. And okay, so when you're doing this, you might see little water droplets in the hair. That'll all dry when the hair dries. That'll dry out and it'll look much better when the hair dries. So here is our hair. I've been messing with it for a little while, and as you can see, it looks so much better than before. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, her hair looks so much better. So here is her hair. It looks a lot better than it did before, as you can see. If you go back to where I first showed you her hair, you can definitely tell a difference. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you guys. But one more thing before I go, I want to show you guys a really, really cute hairstyle that you can do on your dolls, like with ringlet curls, because I know you can't really do much with ringlet curl dolls. And see, my doll does have some water on her, but that can easily be wiped off. Alright, I'm going to show you the hairstyle. Okay, so basically you are only going to need like one of these mini rubber bands. I have an orange one here. But and you take 2 of the curls, the front, and then put them in the back, then kind of like twist them together. I've seen American Girl do this hairstyle before, but it looks super duper cute on dolls with ringlet curls. So you just kind of twist it together, and then you can take your rubber band and put it and tie it off at the end, just like that. And here is the hairstyle from the front, and it looks super duper cute because it gets the hair out of the doll's face. And here it is at the back. It's like a mini ponytail. It's kind of hard to see it on camera. But yeah, it's super duper cute. I definitely recommend this hairstyle. I really need to wipe her down a little bit because she has some water on her arms and just a little bit on her face. So yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!